everyone, welcome back to BD Studios. We're picking up where we left last week. I'm actually still wearing the same clothes. So, in Camera Magic, we're a week ahead. Anyways, I want to bring you the village that we're going to work on involving lots of sticks. So let's do the unveiling. Let's do a quick unveiling. So we went walking around in our local park and we picked up lots and lots of interesting sticks. We're going to make a village with them. Now what I did already is that I put them in a bucket with bleach and water, let them sit overnight, and they've been 2 days in the sun. Insert pictures of sticks drying in the sun right here if we have it. And so this is what we have. Okay, so our inspiration is this little village that my girlfriend Cheryl wanted us to try to make for her. And so that's what we're going to work on. I've seen a bunch of these in different websites, in Facebook groups, and Pinterest, online. So I researched and just got one for reference, okay? So the idea is to have a foundation, say this big piece, and then we will start attaching the little village all across. How hard could it be? We don't know what we're doing. But once you have a reference, you can work off of that. We're going to nail it. We're going to screw it. We're going to do what we can to make it rustic. And then she will come in and paint it herself. So that's going to be the end of my project. But I love it so much that we might have to make a few more villages. Right, Didi?
Agreed.
Can't just stop at
We
one.
need a town.
It's always like that. We're building a city. Anyways, one stick at a time. So while we figure out how we're going to do this, just sit back and enjoy our process. And if we make more sticks in the future, we'll also videotape that so you can see the variations of the towns. Also, we have little pieces of driftwood we've used for other projects, and we might end up using those for rooftops. Yep. So if you have something like this and needs a finish, we'll just do that. I think that'll look really cute. Okay, let's get going, lady. had to do that giant wood village, why not do a baby one? Because we just can't control ourselves. Which led us to this one from the little pieces of wood we've done the wind chimes from, right? What a great way to upcycle things.
It used to be a driftwood
garland. Yeah, we've milked the heck out of the garland, but it's so cute, super easy to do. We just glued it. So I need to figure out a little back, or maybe I'm going to do it with
wire.
With wire? Oh,
yeah.
Wire would be easier. I was thinking twine, but wire would be easier. Or you could even prop it up against something else, you know, in the studio. I just think it's really pretty and fun. Right now, we all need to de-stress.
Yes.
Life and the world is crazy. And so the way we distress is working on our art and getting lost in the studio. And our hearts and our prayers go out to the family and all the children of the terrible, terrible shooting that happened this week in Texas. And, you know, work on something that's going to help you just feel like the world is a good place. There's some bad people in it. And that's all I have to say about that. So, on that note, I want to thank you for watching the video. I ask you with all my heart, please like the video, subscribe, help us grow the channel. We're going to keep on making stuff, and we want to bring you along. Whether or not you're a crafter or just some person who enjoys seeing art and art being made, join us. It's a community just for fun, for relaxation, for mental health, or just plain old entertainment. Alright, so like we always say, stay focused, stay centered, stay creative to help you, and we'll see you next week. For now, we're out. Bye.